Hello guys, today in this video we will talk what time does Vasa Fitness close if you want to visit your nearest Vasa Fitness club and you don't know your gym is open or not. So if you want to know like what is the correct timing to visit, so first of all you need to type on any search browser Vasa Fitness near me, okay, and or you can search Vasa Fitness gym locations across the US. Once you select this option, our gym locations across the US, it will redirect you on this kind of window, okay, and on this window you need to select your location, and once you select your location they will provide you timings, date and phone number also at their gym location, okay. You can call them and you can ask the question gym is open or not, and they will provide you each and everything related to opening hours, working hours and all, okay. So basically there is no time frame, and you can see these are the two examples like kid care hours and gym hours. You can see over here each and every location have some different hours, so you can check out the hours by visiting on their official website. This is the best way to know what time does Vasa Fitness close, okay. So basically they all are providing 24-hour service, so you can also directly call them. This is the best way, okay. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.